Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, reaching you for the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you what I do every week, market and analysis using advanced method of Elliott Wave strategy. Elliott Wave works in whatever you are trading. Anything that you can see on chart, Elliott Wave is good at that. If you are trading crypto, you are welcome. If you are trading currency pairs, welcome. Futures, indices, commodities, stocks, whatever you are trading, as long as you will see it on the chart, Elliott Wave is good for that, except new tokens like crypto. You know, every day crypto come out every day. Types of cryptos, those new ones cannot work because they are yet to be established. But if the crypto is established, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, SRP, BNB, those established coins, the coins that have lasted 3, 4, 5, 7 years can be analyzed and traded with Elliott Wave. So last week, I took my time to show you charts on daily and weekly. This week is just an update, which will take us time. So DSY is still going down. Now the question is this correction, is it over? Is this the whole correction? Is it over? Or are we still going to go up? Okay. So I don't know, but I think we will get one more move up, then the sale will happen. But if you don't get a move up, whenever the price comes to when the price breaks this low, it will be a time to buy, sorry, to sell. And the selling will just drop, another move up, another move down. So buying is not yet. If you are buying, you are trading against the trend. You can trade this and make profit, but I don't like trade against the trend because you can be easily disappointed. Okay, so follow the trend. The trend now is selling. So try to sell with sellers. Okay, so that's for DSY. Let's go to USD card. The same situation, USD card, I expect it to be a little move higher before start. Okay, so there are still rooms to go on USD card. So we are still have rooms to go. 1.344, 1.342, 1.34. These areas is where we are going. We still have a lot of spaces to cover selling. So what else for sale setup around here? Okay, that's for USD card. USD chef, the same situation. Like DSY, I want to see it go a bit higher again before selling. So, but if it breaks this low, 7897, then we don't think it will go up again. But I think it will likely go up again before it begin to sell. We still have a lot of space to cover selling USD chef. Okay, so this is daily chart, and you can see where we expect the market at least 0.779 or 76 or even 75. So you still have a lot of chances to cover on lower time frame on USD chef. So if you are buying, be careful about to buy. It's a counter trade and not a credit. So USD, I want to see it drop one more bar before the buying. So it will be something like this. You see here. A kind of W, X, Y. So that's what I expect to happen on Euro USD. The same goes with pounds USD. Pounds USD will go internet. This country, entire PC. Pounds USD. I also expect something similar to happen to give us the WXY. WXY, here's the word. WXY. So pounds USD, I want to see it drop further, okay, before the buying will start. Not that it can't buy from here, it can buy from here, but you know, as I say it always, I trade structures. Okay, all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, WSY, ABC, they are good, but they are not uh my main determinant factor in trading. I trade structure. So the structure I'm looking at is that this structure will see drop. Okay, I can be wrong, but that's how I trade. Okay, we can wake up and the market begin to go up. It means that the correction did only ABC. It can happen, but this is what I'm expecting. It means if the buy happens here, I will not buy it because I don't see any buy setup around here. A market can move without giving you a setup. Okay, such a market, I happily miss them because I don't regret missing a trade. I only regret losing a trade carelessly. I mean carelessly. You can trade careful and still lose. But if I trade carelessly and lose, it will pain me. Okay. Myself buying it from here and it goes up, I make profit. I see no it is a careless trade because I see no setup. Even if even in the profit, I know it's a careless trade. So if I take such trade and I lose it, I will regret. But if I wait for it to drop to this zone and I buy it from this zone, I lose. I will regret. So that's what I'm trying to explain. AUD USD. Slow network. Oh. AUD USD. I want to see it drop further. Okay. I want to see it drop further, to this zone, either to this zone, or even deeper to this zone. Okay. Because this is just this is just uh with one. So this can't be with two. It is too short to be with two. So I think we will have another move down. Okay, so let's continue. I'm having network challenges. Nigeria, that's the problem. So sorry for the delay and waste of time. So news of USD, I'm still expecting to drop further. Okay, either to this zone or this zone before buying. It can buy from here, no problem. It buys from here, I will not buy. I want to see it at my reversal zone before I will buy. Euro JPY, I want to see it go up again. Okay, I want to see it go up again before selling. So this move is the correction for up move again. So expect one move up. As a matter of fact, buying it from here is a nice decision. You buy from here, stop loss will be here. So it's a nice decision because I want to see it go up again before we see another corrective move. I will remove this. It didn't meet up to the zone. Okay, let me. Uh, I remove it. You don't want to do. Though I said we will likely get a running flat, which is what we got here. Okay, USDJPY is selling. It's have come to our reversal zone. So it's now a time to sell. It's either you place sell stop here or you go down to 15 minutes to know whether it will go up higher before you sell. But it is have touched the reversal zone. Okay. Though there is a kind of suspicion that it may see, make a new high. But I think it's have completed a move. Okay. If it will make a new high, then something like this will likely happen. Something like this, a move up, a move down, a move up before selling. That is, if it will go above this place, it will likely give us an ABC before breaking this zone. But for me, we are going down. USJPY, I want to see it go up once more. Okay, so but before going up, we may get a move. We may get a move down before going up. Something like this. A move a little higher, a move down before going up. Okay, it's a buy market. I see no reason to sell it. Okay, for now until it breaks this low. This is the only time I'm going to look for sell. But right now, it's buy I'm looking for. Pound JPY. I want to see it drop before buying. Okay, I expect it to drop. Okay, it's a buy market. There are still rooms for up move. But this pattern, from the pattern I'm looking at, I want to see it give me an ABC or WXY before the buying continues. Gold. There's one gold. Sorry, I missed. Wait, you. Oh. So what I was discussing now was gold, not pound JPY, please. Internet, slow internet. Oh my God, I'll cut this video. Okay, pound JPY, I want to see it drop further before it buy again. So I was right. Gold jumped when I was scrolling. So let's check gold. Nigeria. Slow internet. Sorry for the delay. Not my fault. It's Nigerian's fault. I can't. Calculate from again. So gold, I want to see gold to drop before buying. So you can now see that uh, gold has given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 1. So now I'm looking for, okay, this is A, B, C, W, maybe X, or something like that, with X, then with Y. I will buy gold if I get something like this. I will buy gold. Okay. Or maybe it may it may do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is almost the same thing. But this one will take more time to complete than this very one that is almost completed. All these things we teach you if you join our mentorship program. Silver. Silver, the only way silver can make sense is that if you zoom silver out, we know that we might get a deep move on silver. So silver can give us something like this: a big A, B, C. So we may see silver going to 34 before buying. But I'm watching the pattern. So why do I go deep to watch the pattern? Is because I'm looking at silver. I don't see a trade that I will take on silver. I don't really see a trade to take on silver. So for now, silver the pattern doesn't seem what I like to trade. I can only look for buy on silver, not at the current zone, but when I see it drop. Okay, because looking at it, this looks like okay, this looks like uh, this looks like ABC. It looks like an ABC with A, with B, with C, which is W. Then this is with X. Then this is with Y. Either it have ended here or it will end somewhere here. So if it has ended, buying it, you will lose because it will just drop. Even if it will go up, we only break this high, then go down. So that's why I said silver. I don't see how to trade silver now. So it's either sell, no reason to buy. But the selling, no set up yet. I only sell when I have set up. Okay, that's what I'm trying to explain on silver. So let's move. Platinum. Platinum, I want to see it drop to give me a nice pattern. I rather buy, I rather sell platinum than buy. Okay, selling it, placing a sell stop here, stop loss just here, risking little, then dropping is what I'm expecting. So oil, oil haven't moved, and I keep telling other things. I'm forgetting about oil for now. Okay, you can see oil have not moved, it's still going sideways, so nothing to trade on oil. All the things you see here is nothing but sideways on oil. Okay, anything can happen inside this sideways. Then in this sideways on oil, I will consider sell oil when I see this move. Okay, but then I will sell. For now, no trade on oil until I see uh, something clear. Okay, so I think I will stop at oil and go to Bitcoin. Okay, let me check. Right, network. So US 100, we seem to have gotten a complete structure with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. If that is the case, expect an A, B, C before buying. I have been waiting for something like this. I'm waiting for something like this to happen. If it goes up from here, I will leave it because it can go up from here. If it wants to make an ending diagonal, something like this, I'll keep watching until I see this type of move before I will buy. Okay, a swing trader must know how to have patience. If not, you will blow your account. If you're a swing trader, You must know how to. In fact, every trader need to know how to have patience. The market is there. The market is not running away. Be patient and trade when you see good setup. If not, if you are too quick, too anxious, too aggressive to trade, my dear, you will always lose. Because the market don't care about your emotions. The market moves when it will move. Bitcoin, magazine, yeah. Bitcoin, remember my stand on Bitcoin. I said Bitcoin, I want to see it drop to this zone before I will buy. Unfortunately, it didn't get to my zone, so I wasn't looking for buy. Okay, so I am now making some adjustments. Okay, I'm still looking for it to drop inside this zone, which I know will likely happen sooner than later. So I still looking for it to drop inside the zone before I will buy. Okay. Right now, it will likely do something like this. Something like this. It's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave A, wave B, wave C. So expect wave A, wave B, wave C. So I'm still expecting it to drop. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to show you. Let me give you the internal labeling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like this. Okay. Something like this. Before we buy. So be patient to buy Bitcoin. Don't be in a haste. Don't be in a haste to buy. So Bitcoin will likely drop to 106, 105, even 104 before the final move. Remember, our target on Bitcoin is 120. Between 114 to 120 is our target. So it hasn't gotten there, and I have seen no reason why it won't get there. Okay, thanks for watching. On the bottom of this video, you will see my links, my Telegram channel links. 2 of them are free, one for students. You will see my number. It works on channel on Telegram and WhatsApp. If you need the mentorship, you contact me. What you see me do here, you'll be able to do it if I mentor you. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.